Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Ford F150 software. First, ensure your truck is parked safely with a strong Wi-Fi signal. It is crucial to keep the engine running or in accessory mode throughout the process to maintain power. This prevents interruptions that could damage the system. Also, have your Ford Pass account details handy if you plan to use the app for updates. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful software installation. To check for updates, begin by accessing your F150 sync system on the touchscreen display. From there, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for a section labeled General or System Updates. Once you find it, select the option to Scan for updates. Your truck will then search for any available new software versions. This step is essential to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. Once updates are found, confirm the download and installation directly from your sync screen. The installation process can take up to 30 minutes, so patience is key. It is critically important not to turn off your vehicle or disconnect power at any point during this time. Interrupting the update could lead to system errors. Let the system complete its work uninterrupted for a successful installation. After the update completes, verify the new software version in your sync system's About Sync section to confirm success. If you encounter any minor issues, a simple soft reset of the sync system can often resolve them. For persistent technical problems or if the update fails, do not hesitate to contact Ford customer support or visit a certified dealership for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.